CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a brand new René of Paris wig called Heather, and the color is called Chocolate Frost R, which is one of the most popular colors from the René of Paris line. Very, very, very pretty, highly dynamic color. It looks great in these short cuts. As you can see, lots and lots of highlights going on here. I reviewed this color before, so instead of focusing on the color a lot, I'm going to talk a lot about this cut. So Heather is 2.3 ounces. She's super duper lightweight and very short. The fringe in the front is very thick and it's 5.5 inches. This one also has a hand-tied temple-to-temple lace front. I'm going to zoom in on that. It also has some baby hairs attached, as you can see there. But the knotting is very nice and thick. Very well done there. Zoom back out. And kind of play around with it for a second. But yeah, this wig is very dense, especially on top. Has a lot of volume, just a ton, and if you play with it, you can get a lot more. I love this color and this kind of cut with all its texture, because that highlighting really, really picks it up. Plus it's rooted, which kind of helps hide the permatease a little bit. So as you can see, what I said was true. This one's got a lot of volume. So if you don't like that kind of volume, then Heather is not going to be the wig for you, because there's no way of getting around it. There's no way of reducing how tall this wig is, because it definitely gives you a lot in that department. It's part of the style. And you can even see it like that in the product pictures, that it's definitely very, very voluminous. Gonna mess it up even more because it's kind of how this one's supposed to be worn. And you can really, really play around with this and get it however you really think looks best. But yeah, I think she can look pretty interesting. This is a neat little cut, especially because it's so textured and so thick. It definitely gives you a lot of styling options. So let me go ahead and turn around so you can see what Heather looks like. You can see the interior of the cap construction. So as you can see, Heather has a temple-to-temple lace front. It is not contoured at all, but there is a little bit of fuzzy felt in between the lace front and the monofilament features. There is a fuzzy closed ear tab, and then elastic here on the sides. It adjusts a bit like a bra strap here on either side. There is an extended felt nape, which is good considering how short the nape is here. And she's open wefted in the back and the sides, and heavily, heavily, heavily permateased on the top. Tons of volume on the top, just a ton. And that color is very, very cool. Look at how the highlighting sits on this color with the dark nape and all of that up here. Because you get the two different colors with this chocolate frost. You get kind of like an ashy blonde color as well as the golden light brown. So very, very, very pretty, interesting color. Looks great with this texture. I'm going to go ahead and put this one back on now. You can slick her down a little bit if you want, but she's still going to be really voluminous. That's just how this style is. And the bang is quite long, 5.5 inches. So definitely, probably something you should sweep off to the side there. So this has been my review of the Heather wig by René of Paris in the color Chocolate Frost R. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. Check out my store if you get a chance. And until next time, have a great night. Bye-bye.